Yo, Sonny, Dexter, Slider, Uncle Gotham, Sapet, Big Man, Fat Man. There's a respect, yo, Tall Boss, King,
Yo, Dance Guy,
the Big Top Zool, yo, Affies, Sap, hey, EG Records. Big up if you construction worker. The marks are usa, so tell them my grim says so you could never get a school if wasn't for some builders. Some people like masons, laborers, carpenter. Wanna bet no though. I'm a this square and tape measure. Call them box easy, come on a carpenter. For real. Next time fetch it out, call it laborer. From Mataton, mix time fi go caster. Well at 7:30, you the time for reach work. But done clock 12 days, Saturday we're not broke. Give them a steady fortnight, come money off a pile up. Not on lazy for me profit it turn up. Like another day, another struggle. Miss a Mandalay and blacks and laborers upon the double. What kind of stiff? Oh, managing the trouble. Overtime on overtime on F enough like me a smuggle. Turn a speed, push up a room. Nothing for me muscle. A matter of fact, I that help build me muscle. Think grandma walk over, you in trouble. Monk that steel, we tie bigger than them troubles. I'm a this square and tape measure. The foreman set a order, you better carry out though. For real. 12 o'clock, a time for lunch up. And if you not bring the lunch, the canteen load up. Check it out. Trying to bring the bad vibes to the work. Last boy get disrespectful, 18 broke him up. Bicycle. Some boy can't tell me nothing about up. How the hell you say you smart and can't read tape measure? Well I saw it a fee come, if I saw it fee come. Look how much man turn thief and police gun them down. If your problems at home, now bring it on the work broom. Big up every operator, engineer and everyone. In our color, no in a racial. A safety first, so nothing can fatal. No for the mass of them, but you can bad plus guns. Better run for down, you're gonna learn construction. I'm a this square and tape measures. Office just send a man filling the compactor. King and Troy. 12 o'clock, a time for lunch up. And if you not bring the lunch, the canteen load up. Trying to bring the bad vibes to the work. Last boy get disrespectful, 18 broke him up. Stop it. Some boy can't tell me nothing about it. How the hell you say you smart and can't read tape measure?
Purchase your tracks today.
Big Top Zool. Yo, Miss Ivy. One love. Destiny. Pretty, you know. Real talk. Man, I go hide it. Yo, Fat Man. Yo, Jimmy.
Purchase your tracks today.
I say big up Basu and Sons. Straight up. Grim says so. Heavy construction worker.